Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So new data updated you today is that just been told, but I don't have a full story, but let me share this. I can confirm that Kaizer Chiefs and Monapoly Seleng are in talks and the talks are promising. Kaizer Chiefs have offered Monapoly Seleng 3 years contracts according to my source. Monapoly Seleng's agent was in Naturena last week in talks about the deal. Kaizer Chiefs offered Monapoly Seleng 3 years the salary he was in Orlando Pirates, and Monapoly Seleng agent will be back in Naturena before the end of the month. Can I confirm? I will keep on digging, but don't forget to follow this channel. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you know if I next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.